Hello little artists. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. Hello kids. At first, we took a black marker. Now, we start the drawing. First, we draw a straight line. Next, we draw a triangle. Here, our roof drawing is completed. Now we draw two straight lines parallelly. And this is the wall of the house. Then we join two straight lines and parallelly. Next, we draw a rectangle shape to draw the door. Here, we draw a square shape to draw the window. Then, we divide it. Now, we draw a big tree beside the house. This is the root of the tree. Here, we draw a sun using circle shape. Now, it's time to coloring. We use blue color to color the roof, the top of the house. A roof is the top cover of a building. That keeps the rain, snow, and sun out. It's like a big umbrella for your home. Roofs can be flat, pointy, or sloped. This is yellow color. Here, we use yellow to color the wall of the house. Walls keep us safe inside the house. The walls hold up the roof. Walls can be painted many colors. We can put pictures and posters on the walls. Walls make our house into different rooms. We use pink color to color the door of the house. We use purple color to color the window. Here, we use green color to color the tree which beside the house. Green color. This is brown color. We use yellow color to color the sun. Now, our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye. Hello little artists. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. Watermelon drawing. Today we draw a summer fruit, watermelon. First, we draw a straight line. Next, we draw a big curve to draw the watermelon. Again, we draw parallelly a curve inside it. Next we draw watermelon seed. Watermelons are large, juicy fruits with a vibrant red flesh and a refreshing, sweet taste. They typically have a green rind and small, dark seeds. Watermelons are a great source of hydration and contain vitamins and antioxidants. Red color. They are often enjoyed during summer, especially on hot days. Watermelons can be eaten fresh, used in fruit salads, or even blended into juices. Red color. Watermelon is centuries-old fruit that is juicy and sweet, and many view it as a perfect treat to quench your thirst during summer heat. With a bright, red flesh and little seeds embedded throughout. Red color. Green color. Watermelon is a trusted source with a plethora of nutrients and antioxidants that include vitamins A and C. Now we enjoy it. Green color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.